Fits a 16x13 roasting pan. Can hold up to a 25 pounds 11 kilograms bird or roast. Convenient handles allows you to transport meat from the roasting pan to the serving tray in one motion. Removable pin disassembles rack from the bottom. Non-stick surface makes cleanup quick and easy. Not recommended for the dishwasher, handwashing recommended. Folds up easily for storage. Cooks Illustrated recommended. Food preparation becomes a pleasure with the collection of skillfully designed Cuisipro tools. Each tool has been created to perform a specific task with precision and ease while always delivering the finest quality. Roast and serve. The removable roasting rack with convenient handles easily transports meat from the roasting pan to the serving tray in one motion without awkward lifters. The removable pin at the bottom helps disassemble the rack, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup quick and easy. The rack can hold up to a 25 pound 11 kilograms bird or roast and folds up for compact storage. Fits a 16x13 rectangular roasting pan. Top reviews from the United States. Where has this been all my life? I don't know why all roasting racks don't operate this way because it made everything so easy. For some reason, the only turkeys available this year were over 20 pounds. I am confident that the only reason why my turkey didn't end up on the floor was because of this rack. Transferring the turkey from the pan to the turkey plate was a cinch because of the handles. Most racks these days have them though, so this isn't really newsworthy. The game changer though is that you now don't have to figure out how to lift the turkey off of the rack itself. Pull the pin and slide out each side and you're done. It's freakin' brilliant. The turkey didn't stick to the rack at all and the pin pulled out as easily as it went in at the start. The rack cleaned up quickly and easily. It doesn't store completely flat, but since I store it in my roasting pan, it doesn't need to be flat for me.